Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to paint a seaside sunset through the window. Here are the materials which are required and the colors which I have used are acid blue, titanium white, lemon yellow, medium yellow, orange, cobalt blue, ultramarine and black. Let's get started. So starting off, I'm mixing acid blue and white to get lighter blue shade and adding it to the canvas as a base. Next I add cobalt blue and blend it smoothly. Blend them together with a flat brush. Here I am adding white color and blending it thoroughly. By adding white color, you won't get green shade by mixing yellow and blue. So to prevent that, I have added white. Also, add a hint of orange at the bottom of the sunset to create a seamless transition. Adding more white and blending further to enhance the effect. If you are not adding white in between yellow and blue, it might get mixed up and become green. Blending it really well so that I could get the transition very smooth. For the ocean part, I have used a mix of white, acid blue and ultramarine to create a smooth transition. Also, don't forget to blend them smoothly. Then, I paint a small glowing sun using a mix of yellow and white. Okay, let's bring ocean alive. So to bring the life to an ocean, I have added a few glowing ripples with white color. Then I'm adding a hint of yellow to the ripples to make the water shine under the sunlight. Also, don't forget to add few random white dots here and there near the ripples so that you will be getting the effect of sparkling water. Now I'm adding frames of windows on all four sides with black and burnt umber. I'm adding burnt umber on the corners of window so that it will give you the realistic effect. Now for the curtain part, I have mixed black with more water to create a transparent effect and adding gentle folds for a natural look. Also add few details on folds so that it will give you some natural effect. Use the fine tipped brush for detailing purpose. Finally, I complete the painting by adding a few white doves. And here is the final painting. I hope you guys liked my tutorial. If yes, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.